Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an active Excel window and access to your keyboard. Locate the SCR-LK key, since Excel's auto-scrolling often comes from scroll lock. Press it once to toggle off. If you're on a laptop, use the FN modifier or open the Windows on-screen keyboard and click SCR-LK there. Once done, switch back to Excel and try using arrow keys. They should move one cell at a time now, which proves the lock has been released. If the simple key press didn't work, continue with alternatives so you can control Excel precisely. First, check Excel's status bar for a scroll lock indicator. That confirms behavior. Then, open the Windows on-screen keyboard via Start right arrow OSC and click the SCR-LK button to clear it. You can also plug in an external keyboard or temporarily remap keys using software when keys are missing. Make sure to test arrow keys and page up / to finish, save your workbook and confirm navigation works. Arrow keys should move cells, not scroll the window. If scroll lock still appears active, close Excel and reopen. If that fails, restart Windows to clear stuck key states. When problems persist, start Excel in safe mode to see if an add-in or macro forces scrolling. Press Ctrl while launching Excel. One key troubleshooting tip: if an external device or remote mouse causes auto-scroll, disconnect it and repeat the SCR-LK toggle to restore normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.